So, I just sat down to edit this video, but I just wanted to come out here and say this real quick so you guys don't think I'm trying to clickbait you, but I did not wrap the whole car black, as you guys can see. I only did the mirror and the door handle, on the left side that is, the driver's side. I didn't even do the right side because this was even more impossible than I thought it would be. So, basically, what I'm trying to say is this video is an example of a video gone wrong, basically. I had full intentions to wrap both mirrors, both door handles, and the roof. However, after I opened up the wrap, I noticed that the wrap was just pretty bad quality, honestly. Like, the orange peel was ridiculous. If I had actually put it over my roof, it would have just looked awful, man, and there would have been no reason to go through that much work when it wouldn't have even looked good. So I decided to skip the roof and only do the mirrors and the door handles. Well, as you guys will see, once we started, we realized it was a million times harder than we thought it would be, and now I understand why people charge so much to wrap cars. But I just kind of want to say this real quick so you guys didn't think I'm clickbaiting you. I'll just go ahead and say I am going to get the mirrors, the door handles, and the roof professionally wrapped matte or gloss black probably here sometime soon, because I know it's going to look so good. Even though we did a horrible job, it still gives you guys a good idea of what it would look like with black accents, and it looks so clean. So now with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, everybody, today we are going to finally be doing something that you guys have been asking for forever. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of dreading doing this, honestly. I know it's gonna be a pain, but it is finally time. Today we are going to wrap the roof, the mirrors, and the door handles on my Genesis Coupe. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys this now, so if it doesn't happen, you guys won't be disappointed. But the roof, I don't know if I'm actually gonna be able to wrap the roof, because the vinyl I got apparently is not very good for large panels. Like, everybody said it's fine for small things like door handles, mirrors, and everything, but once you move over to a large panel, apparently this wrap that I got, which I'll show you guys here in just the next few seconds, has a lot of orange peels. So if I lay out the wrap, get everything smoothed out as good as I can, and it has a bunch of bubbles and orange peel looks, I probably won't end up doing the roof, just a heads up. But we are at least going to get the door handles and the mirrors wrapped gloss black, and I can't wait to see what it looks like, man. All right, here is the vinyl. It is a 5 foot by 5 foot sheet of gloss black wrap from Vivid Vinyls. Now, I actually got this off of Amazon, not from the Vivid Vinyl website. It was out of stock on their website, but it was in stock on Amazon. It was like $42, and it should be more than enough to wrap everything we need. Now, there is one slight problem, and that is the wrap came kind of damaged. Now, I only think it's this first layer right here, so underneath this, not that you guys can see what I'm pointing at, I'm kind of just moving the camera in circles, but underneath this first layer, everything should be perfect, and I cannot wait, man. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but like I said, I know it's going to be a pain. And then I also got this from Amazon. It's this little wrap toolkit. It came with pretty much all the tools that you would need to wrap something, so this should come in handy. I think it was like $15. I actually ordered this toolkit in the wrap over a month ago. I've just been busy with other videos, and now it's finally time to get to this. But yeah, man, if you guys want to pick up the wrap or this toolkit, I'll leave them both linked below down in the description. Now I'm just waiting on my buddy so I can have an extra set of hands, and we'll get to wrapping. All right, so before we start wrapping, we're gonna clean the panels off that we need to wrap. Now that the car's all cleaned up, it's time to start wrapping. All right, so we just laid out the whole 5 foot by 5 foot roll, and I don't know if this picks up on camera, but the orange peel on this wrap is crazy. Like, I think if I put this on the roof, it's gonna look terrible. So we're just gonna do the mirrors and the door handles instead. So we just started cutting out a piece right here for the right mirror, but there's massive scratches in it, and as I look harder, there's massive scratches all over the wrap. So honestly, probably like 3 by 3 foot is actually usable. All right, we're gonna start with the driver's side mirror here. All right, what do you think? Just go for it, kinda?
Nah, we gotta do it like this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me get the hair dryer. Ooh. That's not it. That's not it. That just completely scratched that wrap. Okay, hold on, dude. This is not... All right, so we just tried to use this, and it completely scratched the wrap. Let me show you here. I don't know if that's picking up, but yeah, this toolkit, I don't know if I would get it, honestly. So we just failed at wrapping this driver's side mirror twice. We're going to move on to the door handle and try and get warmed up. This is that little plastic knife that came in that kit, by the way. Hopefully it works. It seems to be flimsy, though.
Yeah, it's very flimsy.
Well, that didn't work either, so we're gonna have to try something else now. So we're gonna try it in sections, kind of, like wrap it with multiple different pieces. Hopefully this will go better. It won't look as good, but it will. All right, I just want to give you guys a little progress update. From far away, from like right here, actually, it looks pretty good, but then when you get close, you can start to see all the pieces on top of each other. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this side up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So we just finished this driver's side door handle right here. Like from back, it looks pretty good, but then once you start getting closer, like you can see that it is multiple pieces. And really, we came to the decision that we're not going to do the passenger side. We're just going to do this side and see what it looks like. Like, I just wanted to get a good idea of what the car looks like with black mirrors, black door handles, and really a black roof. But unfortunately, it's going to be impossible because we've already wasted so much by just doing this door handle. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do this mirror right here and get a good idea of what the car looks like. Like I said, we're not going to do the right side, so sorry about that. But just know that wrapping your car is not as easy as you think it is. So we got another piece cut out right here. We're going to do it in multiple different pieces again. We're going to start with this top piece right here. I'll try to record a little bit more than I did with this. This was just such a pain. It took everything we had. All right, and we made contact with the first piece. All right, now is where it takes 4 hands. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put the GoPro down, and then I'll give you guys an update after we get this piece on. All right, so we got this piece done. It looks pretty good once again from afar, and then once you start to get closer around the edges, you can kind of see the imperfections. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to right here. All right, we got the second piece on here. Now it's on to the third. All right, and now 22.5 pieces later, we are done. We'll just call it done. I mean, it's not done, but it's done for now. Like, I mean, it gives you a good idea of what the car would look like with black mirrors and door handles, and man, it looks so clean in my opinion. I absolutely love it. Here's a better look at the mirror up close. You can see how bad it looks, man. Like, once you get up close and you can see all the different lines and imperfections, it does not look that good. But like I said, it gives you a good idea of what it would look like black with the silver car, and it looks great. So today, we learned a valuable lesson, and that is that wrapping is way harder than you would ever imagine it to be. Like, I thought we were just gonna cut off some square sheets and just slap it on here and stick it to it pretty much, but no, man, it is so much harder than that. Like, the angles and everything are such a pain to get. We had to like cut it so we could fold it over itself to not make it look that bad, but still, like I said, it does not look very good, and as you guys can see, it does not look very good. So yeah, would I recommend doing this yourself? Maybe if you have some skilled friends, or if this is not your first time. But like, if it was your first time like it was for us, this is nearly impossible, dude, to do it perfectly anyway. Like, it looks okay, like I said, from afar, but once you get close, man, it is not acceptable. I'm not going to keep this on the car. Now that I know how good the black door handles and mirrors look, I think I'm going to get it professionally done at some point soon, and maybe the whole car, who knows. Well, I would like to do it soon, but I don't know how expensive that's going to be. But yeah, I definitely love the look of the silver car with the black accents. It looks so clean, and I cannot wait to have this done the right way. One more thing I want to talk about real quick before we wrap this video up, and that is the exhaust. So the exhaust should be here tomorrow. Well, the day that you guys are watching this video, it'll be here Saturday is what I'm trying to say, and it'll be getting installed next week. And I'm still not going to say what it is, but I will say a lot of you guys guessed it right down in the comments. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Next week the new exhaust will be getting installed, and I cannot wait, man. But yeah, like I said, that is it for this one, everybody. If you guys like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.